Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you've ever needed to turn boring numbers into something visual and easy to understand, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a pie chart in Google Sheets, and here's the best part, your chart will automatically show the percentages for each slice. Whether you're summarizing a budget, displaying survey responses, or just want to impress your boss or classmates, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know just how to make your data stand out with a clear, colorful pie chart. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, make sure you have your data organized in Google Sheets. Usually you'll want one column for your categories like apples, oranges, and bananas if you're charting fruit sales, and a second column for the values such as the quantities sold. It's totally fine if you're working with different types of categories, just make sure every category has a number next to it. This clear setup helps Google Sheets know exactly how to create your chart. Now with your data ready to go ahead and highlight the cells you want to include in your pie chart. This might sound simple, but selecting only the relevant data ensures your chart stays clean and you avoid any extras sneaking in. If you've got headers at the top of your columns, include those too. It helps with labeling in your chart later. Next, look towards the top of your Google Sheets window. You'll see a menu called Insert. Click on it, then scroll down and find Chart. When you click Chart, Sheets will spring to life and automatically suggest a chart type based on your data. Often that default suggestion isn't a pie chart, but don't worry, we can easily fix that. On the right side of your screen, you'll now see a chart editor panel. Here, where the magic happens. Under the Setup tab, look for the Chart Type dropdown. Click it and you'll find a menu showing a variety of charts. Find and select Pie Chart. You'll recognize it by its circular shape. Once you select it, watch as your chart instantly changes to that familiar pie format, breaking up your data into colorful sections. Here's the really cool part. As soon as you pick a pie chart, Google Sheets automatically converts your data values into percentages. Each slice of the pie represents its share of the whole, so if you have, say, apples making up half your sales, you'll see a 50% label right on that slice. The chart makes it so much easier to instantly understand what portion each category takes up in your total. If you don't see the percentage labels straight away, you can fine-tune things in the Customize tab of the chart editor. Just look for pie slice label options and select percentage. It's okay if this takes a minute. Sometimes these settings hide in submenus, but clicking around for a moment will get you right where you need to be. It's worth it because those percentages make your chart much easier to read and share. And that's all there is to it. You've created a professional-looking pie chart in Google Sheets with percentages front and center. Remember, you can always tweak the colors, fonts, or even the chart size to fit your presentation style or just to match your brand. Give yourself a moment to admire your work or show it off to your team. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any future step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.